Dear Prime Minister, as civil society organisations working with citizens and communities across the UK, we are writing to express our grave concerns about the risk of leaving the EU without an agreement, as the 31st of October rapidly approaches.
Mae corff cynyddol o dystiolaeth yn dangos byddai Brexit heb gytundeb yn niweidiol I gymdeithas sifil a'r cymunedau rydym yn gweithio â nhw.
The uncertainty, the predicted economic shock, and the prospect of legal uncertainty, as well as regression in rights and standards, present a profound risk to the values that civil society stands for.
Leaving the EU without a deal will see a return to a hard border on the island of Ireland. This will have significant detrimental effects on trade, the economy, and the ability of citizens to move easily between the two jurisdictions for work, study, and family reasons.
A no-deal Brexit will be a direct threat to the peace process and the safeguards in the Good Friday Agreement. This would be at odds with the UK Government's stated commitment to guarantee these vital protections.
Business, civil society and communities across the UK are not ready for a no-deal exit.
Does dim digon o amser I cymryd lle asiantaethau'r Undeb Ewropeaidd sydd yn monitro ac yn sicrhau cydymffurfiaeth gyda'r gyfraith a lle olygu na fydd safonau'r bwyd, amgylcheddol a rheoliadau lles anifeiliaid yn cael ei gofodi yn ddigonol.
Legislation to accommodate a no-deal scenario will be rushed through Parliament with little to no scrutiny from MPs and civil society.
Neither is there enough time to put in place the necessary common frameworks to guarantee that devolution is respected.
Civil society faces the same Brexit-related impacts and uncertainties as business, and yet we have not had adequate support, resources and engagement from the government.
We urge you to better engage with civil society, including across the devolved nations, throughout the next stages of the Brexit process.
Leaving the EU without an agreement will have drastic and wide-ranging implications for citizens and communities who deserve to be heard. Yours sincerely, Ciara Box, Friends of the Earth.
Vary from the Human Rights Consortium Scotland.
Robin Scott, Committee on the Administration of Justice.